Hey babes, come here.
What's up?
Guess what?
What?
Yardie TV just make a great collaboration.
Really? With
yes.
who?
With a website called tasteofjamaica.com.
Oh, cool.
And it's an awesome thing. I promise you. I can't wait for my customer them and my viewers them see this.
How it work? What is it about?
Well, it's a website that offers Jamaican product, you know, to those people living overseas, the 48 states of the mainland.
Okay.
And they are offering Jamaican product at great discounts and in nice little bundles or packages, you understand? Like for Easter, they're offering Easter bun bundles, HTB bun and tasty cheese.
Oh, so it's just for Easter?
No, they're offering Easter products now, but when Easter done, they're gonna have different products.
Oh, so it's an ongoing website.
Website at tasteofjamaica.com.
Nice.
And I promise you, let me tell you what me like. Me like the tasty cheese bundle. Yes, them offering different bundles, and the bundles them is based on your price point, but it is awesome. For instance, look, them have this essentially Easter, which you get one of the 35-ounce HTB bun and a 17-ounce tasty cheese.
Wow.
And that is, the price is so awesome. So me feel like the viewers them for Yardie TV will appreciate this. Because you know we have viewers from all over the United States. And of course all over the world. But we're focusing on the USA for now.
Right, for now.
And look here. Easter Delight. 2 HTB bun and 2 8-ounce tin of cheese. I mean,
but look at that price. Wow.
And you know, say me one when you have them too, yeah. You understand? So me never even think about to order that one. I just order some, you know.
Are you kidding me?
No, for real, I order. I was planning to surprise you, but you know, me not really want to surprise you with no bun.
Okay, no, so you can't give me bun.
No, if you want bun, you have to take bun.
Only for this kind of bun, we take it.
Look what me order. Me order the Easter by the half dozen.
Oh, cool.
That is 6 bun.
So 3 for me, 1 for you, 1 for the little boy, and we can probably give 1 away as a gift.
Really? No, you're going bad now. No. As a matter of fact, guess what? I'm gonna have a live unboxing on my channel.
Oh, cool.
On Yardie TV. Yeah, man. One of these days we're gonna go live, and we're just gonna also give away some coupon codes so people can get discount on their bun and cheese. Yeah, we're gonna give it on the channel.
Trust me.
All we're gonna do is we'll make sure that our viewers know when we're going live. So we're gonna make sure everybody stick and stay to Yardie TV. And listen out for the promotions, you understand? But we're gonna be giving away some bun coupon for at tasteofjamaica.com. And let me tell you something. Look on that one here. Ultimate Easter.
Wow.
5
buns and 5
Lord Jesus. 5 bun and 5 cheese, eh? Me and you have the whole of that.
Bun for breakfast, bun for lunch, and bun for dinner.
Hallelujah.
Hot food, no hot
bun
this
dog.
Easter.
No, but I promise you, if you live in the USA, it makes sense.
Right.
Especially if you live in a place where you don't have that many Caribbean stores or any Jamaican supermarket or nothing like that. Then you just order your bun from a tasteofjamaica.com, order the bundle that you want, and they deliver it.
And it makes sense because everybody busy these days. So if you can get your bun and cheese delivered to your door, how much better than that can it get? But my question is, how easy is it to use this website? Is it user friendly?
It is very user friendly. So let me show you. Once you get on the site, at a tasteofjamaica.com, you will be directed to one of 4 Easter bun and cheese bundles. You can choose from their Essentially Easter or their Easter Delight. You can also choose their Easter by the half dozen or the Ultimate Easter Bun and Cheese Bundle. Once you've made your decision, just click the Add to Cart button. When you have done that, you will be directed to their checkout page where you can enter your shipping information and also your payment method. Remember, it's free shipping. So go ahead and make your decision right now at atasteofjamaica.com. And guess what? atasteofjamaica.com is offering a coupon code to anybody who go online right now and order.
Really?
Yes, them can get a 10% off anything, any one of the bundles that they order.
That's great.
All they have to do is just put in the coupon code, which is HTB 2018, and then get 10% off of them order. And imagine
Just
the
like
price
that.
is already that good. And they're getting 10% more. What the coupon code?
HTB 2018.
Remember me tell you.
Times are coming and the buns are being baked. So many buns to choose from, but only one to take home. HTB is the one that's got that baked in quality. Full of fruits and raisins, soft and sweet as a bun can be. So